In this video I will show you step by step how to make your own PCB and better to buy from China, it's cheaper and easier. Exactly, and why it's better to do it yourself. Let's start with the list of things you need. What they will be useful for? I will show you in practice. We will use the printer to print the board design on chalky paper. Save the project to PDF and print it, but... Printed? Printed. Then throw it in the trash. Why is it? Print it, but in a mirror image. Printed? Printed. Then throw it out. I was kidding. It's cool. At the same time, I ordered a PCB from China. Now go make yourself a cup of tea, just in a jar and with no tea. So boil the water and pour it into the jar? Yes, but add some cold water to keep it from getting too hot. Already. Now put in a little bit of etchant and stir with something. It can be a large toothpick. And what do I need an iron for? Plug it in, let it heat up and go for laminate and sandpaper. Okay, I have. Can I scratch the laminate with this paper? Yes, scratch it until it's pink. Already. Then wash it with soap and finally with your IPA. Now put the print on it and press it down with an iron. How long? About 5 minutes. After this time, take the board to the sink and gently remove the paper. If there are small defects, you can correct them with a marker. Done. Great. Put it in a jar and stir it all the time. Look how beautiful it gets. And when to pull up? When you know it's ready. It's probably already. Then pull it out. Rinse it under the tap with fine sandpaper. And what is Techmaster event? Cool site where you can show off your project and win a lot of cash. And you want something? Yes, $500. And what can I win? A lot more cash. Just make a project for one of the 3 competitions. Great, this is what I already do. Later, finish removing the printout from the board first. Finished. It looks cool. You are right, and it will look even better if you cut the frame. Beautiful. Where is your Chinese PCB?